I have a garden bench here, but it is a little bit run down. The wood is a bit damaged and the screws is rusted. It's a bit wiggly. You see some of the stuff is not so good anymore. This one is loose. The metal part looks fine. I just want to restore it. I'm going to start by taking off all these wooden planks and take all the old paint off, repainted them, and then put them back. Okay. There, all of them are. This side is off now. I'm going to leave the top ones on just to keep this thing intact, otherwise the whole thing falling apart. They've got different ways of fastening here with screws, so I'll do them later. Check my workbench. That's it, I should look like here. Put the planks here, and then I'm gonna grind all the stuff off here. I'm using this type of flapper wheel just to take the paint off. You can see how it looks. And I just paint varnish them and then they're fine. But this wood is a bit bad here. So I don't know, I hope it will last. So otherwise I have to replace the wood with something with a new planks. Right, the first half is 5 planks are finished. And now we're going to start painting them. I don't know if you know this tool. This is a nice tool just to open a can, a paint can. I bought it there by the paint place once. You'll see I leave some of the stuff on there. It mustn't be too perfect. It must look old, used. Put them here. And just start painting them. Right, all of them are finished painted now, the bottom ones, and the brush, don't wash it now. Just put it in a plastic bag, just to don't let it dry for now, and I use it later. Alright, I'm going to put them in the sun to dry out. I'm using this brush to take off the dirt and stuff on the cast iron part. Righto, I'm gonna take this washer here. I'm just gonna weld it on top of this screw just to make. I need a little bit more space. The wood is too thick, so I will make up when I put it here. And then I take my pliers, hold it here. I'm gonna weld it quickly. So we're gonna warm up the rod. Okay. So now this thing is a little bit longer. If you can see, it's like a red hot. So, but then I get a little bit more space. That's it. I replaced all these ones now back. And put the screw in. Right, I was finished with the bottom part and I removed the top side wooden planks. I've got them on there now. I'm going to paint them quickly. I just finished sanding them. So, and then I'm going to put them back. And I take this out of the bag. You see, I leave them in the sun to dry a little bit before I put them back. Right, now you take a nice cloth and just clean up, blacken the last little bit of dirt under the metal here. That's it. It's fine. Right, I'm just gonna give the bench just another coat, a second coat after the first one is dry, just to seal it properly, and then it will be fine. Then it will be good for another few years. Come, Boski, come. Hey, come. Nice. Till next time.